The woman quietly slipped a sugar cube through the crack under the door. Then she picked up a stand. She aimed the other end of the stand at the window. Next, she went to the corridor. She adjusted the direction of a crate filled with alcohol and placed a trolley opposite the crate. This narrowed the corridor's passage by half. Then she entered the infirmary. It was filled with wounded soldiers. These soldiers were precisely the targets Mary needed to eliminate. At that moment, a doctor was preparing to sterilize some needles. Mary immediately saw her opportunity. When the doctor opened the lid of the sterilizer, his glasses fogged up. Mary naturally took the doctor's glasses and handed the doctor a bottle of ether. The nearsighted doctor did not look carefully. He poured the liquid directly into the autoclave. Seizing the chance, Mary took the distilled water from the table. She then returned to the corridor. While no one around was paying attention, she knocked over the bottle of distilled water. The water spilled out directly. Then she quickly left the area. Because the corridor floor was uneven, the water trickled down along the wall. It soon reached the location of the sugar cube. Once the sugar cube completely dissolved, the door would lose what was jamming it. Meanwhile, the ether began to evaporate. The soldiers gradually began to feel dizzy. At this moment, Mary went to the distribution room. She loosened a screw on an oil lamp. Then she walked to the distribution box and pulled down the main power switch. The hospital was instantly plunged into darkness. She then splashed water onto the switch and hurriedly left the area. Soon, a soldier came to check the cause of the power outage. He pushed the main switch back up, but the fuse box suddenly shorted and burst into sparks. By now, the sugar cube in the door crack had completely melted. The jammed door immediately swung back into place. The next second, it slammed into the stand nearby. The stand shattered the glass window. Shards of glass sprayed, knocking over the autoclave. Before the soldiers could react, the autoclave exploded. Countless needles flew out in all directions. Many were hit and killed on the spot. The survivors frantically scrambled out of the infirmary, but they had no idea. Another deadly trap was waiting for them.